Put the wind speeds back on here so I can show you exactly where that rotation is. It's this spot right here. Southeast Nebraska, southern Iowa, down into Kansas and Missouri after 6 o'clock. Just south of Silver City, just south of Highway 34, Malvern. This storm also lifting off to the north at about 40 miles per hour. It's the potential for some large hail. Let me switch us over to that hail mode and we can kind of see what the radar is estimating. Likely a little bit on the low side. Lots of lightning still ongoing. That was an impressive lightning bolt right there. So lots and lots of lightning, and some of this lightning may be causing power outages all on its own. Look at this band of rain that's set up across the region. This is the last 6 hours. Rainfall estimates anywhere from 2 to 3.5 inches near Council Bluffs, and you get down into parts of Cass County. Radar estimating over 4 inches of rainfall. This storm here in Burt County, north of Tacoma, it is moving toward Ottawa. We're going to put that at about 40 miles per hour. So that'll be moving into the Ottawa area. Biggest storms off to our south and east, but we may still see some light showers overnight.
That rain came down so
hard
earlier tonight.
Those were some torrential downpours.
Yeah,
I needed the rain, but that's
what I was thinking.
Storms.
It's a nice soaking, so we'll take it.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, David.
Not everybody is seeing the dense fog right now, but it is filling in. Live look at 192nd and West Dodge. The fog even a little bit thicker than the last time we checked.
I'm here in Iceland at the volcano Fagradalsfjall, where it's been erupting since middle of March, and it's really a spectacular experience. It's really hard to put into words how it feels to be here. It's really kind of a dream come true for me as not only a meteorologist, but also kind of an earth science nut.
I really feel like you brought the heat from that volcano back with you.
Yeah, you know what? It's starting to get a little hot out there. Certainly, maybe not quite as hot as the lava, but you know, it was really a spectacular trip. I made it out to Iceland. This is on the Reykjanes Peninsula.
All right, David, weather-wise, it's gorgeous right now.
Oh man, it is a beautiful August day, that is for sure. We have a few clouds overhead right now, so not as much sun as we had earlier, but it still feels very nice out there. So here's what I mean about the blowing snow. There's not a lot of snow on the ground in Scottsbluff yet. You can see there's snow falling, but look at this. Visibility drops off suddenly because of that blowing snow. All right, today is the quiet day. We got some sunshine out there. Temperatures on the mild side. If you have errands to run, get them done today, because I think tomorrow it's going to be rather difficult to get out of the roads, especially tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening.
Now, 6 First Alert Weather, certified Omaha's most accurate forecast by Weather Rate, 7 years in a row.
Windy day here across the area. Thankfully, we did see some afternoon sunshine, helped bring our temperatures up into the 50s, but it didn't feel all that nice with those winds still cranking 50, 60 miles per hour. A little quieter out there now. Skies are clear. We will continue to see clear conditions overnight. The big storm system that brought us storms on Friday, rain yesterday, and all the wind today, that has pushed off to the east, still spinning over Wisconsin. Look at that curl in the satellite and radar picture. It's producing heavy snow in Wisconsin, nearly a foot just to the west of La Crosse, and it's still bringing us those strong north and northwest winds out there right now on the backside of the system, but those winds will die down as we head into your Monday, so a little bit of good news right there. 47 degrees with a northwest wind at 20 miles an hour. That was at the top of the hour. Winds have come down a little bit since then. 41 in Fremont, 43 in Wahoo. We did see a high temperature today of 56 here in Omaha. That's below average, but a little warmer than we were yesterday, so we're headed in the right direction. The record 90, set back in 1964. Not going anywhere near that here for the next 10 days at least. No moisture today. Doing okay for the month and the year. Could still use a bit more, though, especially just to the west of Omaha, where it did not rain quite as much on Friday. Wind chills are already into the 30s across the area. 32, the current wind chill in Harlan, 30 in Carroll, feels like 37 in Plattsmouth, and we could see some wind chills in the 20s by tomorrow morning. Here's the current winds, about 10 to maybe 20 miles an hour, but you notice Lincoln, Columbus, Norfolk winds down below 10 miles an hour. That's a nice change from those gusts of 50 and 60 earlier today. We don't totally get rid of the wind overnight. May still see a rogue gust or two to around 20 miles an hour through sunrise on Monday. A little bit of a breeze during the morning, but by the afternoon, finally, that wind backs off, and tomorrow evening we should see light winds across the area. Enjoy that. Doesn't last all that long. The winds kick back up on Tuesday out of the southeast, 30, 35 miles per hour, but it will help to warm us up a little bit. Chilly until then, down about 34 degrees tomorrow morning. Cold start to your Monday. Lots of sunshine, though, back into the mid-50s by noon, with a high 67 to 70 degrees. Right around 67 in the metro, 70s you get out toward Lincoln. So that should feel a lot nicer, especially with the light wind. 75 on Tuesday. Dry most of the day. Chance for a storm overnight. Wednesday, partly cloudy. We'll watch for more storms Wednesday evening into Thursday. Rain in the morning on Thursday. And then perhaps a few showers on Friday. Notice behind that, temperatures are looking a bit cooler. Down at 48 for a high on Saturday.